Very good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter number 3, two stories about flying. So, students, I hope all of you have opened your book and try to read this chapter. So, before starting this chapter, students, there are two stories in this chapter. The first one is His First Flight, and the second one is Black Aeroplane. Students, in this first story, the writer has explained about a seagull who's afraid of flying, okay, and the second one, a pilot who lost himself in a storm cloud. Okay, so let's read the first story, His First Flight. The young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and his sisters had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward, the blink of the ledge and attempt to flap his wing, he became afraid. So, students, the ledge is a place, a narrow horizontal shelf protecting from a wall. So, in this chapter, there is a seagull who tried to fly, but he could not fly, and in his first attempt, he failed and he afraid to fly. Okay, so let's read ahead. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. Means he tried to fly but he could not fly. Okay, and then he afraid of it that he'll not be able to fly in future. So what he decided, he again went to his ledge, to the little hole under the ledge. Means he went to his nest again and slept over there where he spent the last night also, because his brother and sister has flown away already from there. Even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the blink and flapped their wings and flew away, he failed to muster up courage to take that plug which appeared to him, so he separated. So students, उसके जो छोटे भाई बहन हैं, मीन्स जो छोटे सीगल्स हैं, उन्होंने भी अपने विंग्स खोल लिए और वो उड़ गए. बट ये जो सीगल है वो डर गया पहले अटैम्प्ट में, इसी वजह से वो वापस से जाके छुप गया है और अपने डर को दूर नहीं भगा पा रहा है, और इसी वजह से आज वो अकेला है. His father and mother had come around, calling to him shrilly and upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away, but for the life of him he could not move. Means उसके मम्मी पापा, उसके मदर फादर, मीन्स अनदर सीगल्स जो हैं वो उनके पास आते हैं, उसको कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि उड़ जाए वो, और लेकिन एट लास्ट में क्या होता है, वो उसे भूखे रहने के लिए छोड़ देते हैं वहाँ पे. ओके, क्योंकि वो डर जाता है कि कहीं मैं मर नहीं जाऊँ, मैं नीचे गिर के मर नहीं जाऊँ. मीन्स मरने के डर की वजह से, लाइफ के डर की वजह से वो फ्लाई नहीं करता है. That was 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody had come near him. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about him, his brother and sister, perfectly them in the art of flying, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. Means after 24 hours also he did not take anything, and he is just watching his brother and sister, those who are flying, and they are catching the fishes from the sea. Means they are hunting, they are eating, they are enjoying their fly, but he is just watching from his ledge because he afraid of his life only. He had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it standing on a rock, while his parents circled around, raising a proud crackles, and all the morning the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting with his cowardice. Means now the parents also making fun of him. They are just calling him coward. Means you can't do anything, why you are not trying, try to do. They are praising their another kids but not to him, because he is not trying to fly. The sun was now ascending the sky, blazing on his ledge that faced the south. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. मीन्स अब धूप निकल आई है और धूप बहुत तेज़ हो गई है, उसका जो लैज है उसके ऊपर धूप पड़ रही है, अब उसे भूख भी बहुत ज़्यादा लग रही है और गर्मी भी बहुत लग रही है क्योंकि उसने कल रात से कुछ भी नहीं खाया है. He stepped slowly out, brink of the ledge, and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing, and he closed his eyes, then the other, and pretending to be falling asleep. मीन्स अब वो क्या करता है, अपने पंख को अंदर रख लेता है, पंख के अंदर अपना मुंह छुपा लेता है और ऐसा नाटक कर रहा है जैसा कि वो सो रहा है. Still they looked no notice of him. He saw his two brother and sister lying on the plateau, dozing with their hats snug into their necks. His father was preening the feather off his white back. मीन्स अब वो देखता है कि किसी ने मेरी तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं दिया, तो वो उसके भाई ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स जो है उनकी तरफ देख रहा है कि वो जो प्लेटू, वो जो टापू है जहाँ पे पानी है, जहाँ मछलियाँ हैं, वहाँ उसके ब्रदर्स जो हैं वो क्या एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. अब वो ऊपर से देख रहा है बट अफ्रेड है कि पता नहीं मैं उड़ पाऊँगा कि नहीं उड़ पाऊँगा, और उसके फादर जो हैं वो अपने पंखों को संवार रहे हैं. ओनली हिज मदर वॉज लुकिंग एट हिम. She was standing on the little high hump on the plateau, her white breast thrust forward. Now and again she tore a piece of fish that lay at her feet and then scraped each side of her back on the rock. अब क्या करती है माँ, सिर्फ माँ ही जो उसकी तरफ ध्यान दे रही है, और वो क्या करती है, एक मछली का टुकड़ा लेती है और ऊपर हाइट पे बैठ जाती है और दूर से उसको दिखाती है मछली के टुकड़े को, क्योंकि वो भूखा है ना, तो उसे दूर से दिखा रही है. द साइट ऑफ द फूड मेड इट हिम हाउ ही लव्ड टू टीयर फूड that way, scraping his back now and again to wait it. Ga ga ga, he cried, being her to bring him some food. Cow, Chloe, she screamed back, and अब वो क्या करता है, वो चिल्लाता है माँ को, जोर जोर से आवाज़ लगाता है कि एटलीस्ट माँ है ना कुछ खाना उसके लिए लेके आ जाए. बट ही kept calling plaintively, and after a minute, and so he uttered a joyful scream. अब वो खुशी से चिल्लाता है. His mother had picked up a piece of fish and was flying across to him with it. अब उसकी माँ एक मछली का टुकड़ा लेकर के उसके पास उड़ते हुए आ रही, तो बड़ा खुशी से चिल्लाता है कि एटलीस्ट माँ उसको खाना खिलाने के लिए आ रही है. He leaned out eagerly, trapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. और बस वो बाहर अपना कदम निकालता है और रॉक के पास में, चट्टानों के आगे से अपना कदम बढ़ाता है और माँ के बिल्कुल पास में पहुँचने की कोशिश करता है. बट वैन शी वॉज जस्ट अपोजिट टू हिम, शी halted her wings, motionless, and a piece of fish in her back, almost within reach of his back. क्या करती है वो, बस वो जैसे ही उसके पास पहुंचने वाली होती है तो बिल्कुल अपोजिट में दूर जाकर के थोड़ा सा अपोजिट में बैठ जाती है और वहाँ से वो उसको नोटिस करती है, उसको दिखाती है. तो वो जैसे ही उसको खाने के लिए आता है. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer, and then he, mended by hunger, he dived at the fish. और वो क्या करता है, वो मन में सोच रहा है कि उसकी माँ उसके पास क्यों नहीं आई, दूर क्यों बैठी है, भूख से तड़प रहा है, मर रहा है, बिल्कुल पागल हो रहा है भूख से, बट उसकी माँ उसके पास में उसको खाना खिलाने नहीं आ रही है. He dived at the fish. With a loud scream, he fell outwards and downwards into space. Then the monster terror seized him, and his heart stood still. He could hear nothing, but it only lasted a minute. The next moment, he felt that his wings spread onwards. The wing rushed again his breast feather, then under his stomach, and against his wings. He could feel the tip of his wings cutting through the air. He was not falling ahead long. Now he was snoring gradually downwards and outwards. अब क्या हुआ, जैसे वो मछली का टुकड़ा लेने के लिए आगे बढ़ा, उसका वो जो है वो एकदम हवा में था, अचानक से वो उसके ऊपर कूद पड़ा, डाइव मार दिया उसने मछली के लिए. पर क्या हुआ, वो अचानक हवा में था, कुछ देर तक वो नीचे गिर रहा था और उसके पंख अपने आप खुल गए और उनमें हवा भर गई और उसने उड़ना सीख लिया. He was no longer afraid. He just felt bit dizzy. Then he flapped his wing once and he soared upward. Ga ga ga, cow, cow. So now students, after learning flying, he is singing, means he is making noise with the happiness, and his mother is also following him and her wings making a loud noise. He answered her with another scream, means उसके मदर जिस तरीके से बोल रही है उसका जवाब भी वो दे रहा है अपनी आवाज़ों से, अपनी विंग्स से. Then his father flew over him screaming. He saw his brother and his sister flying around him. और उसके अब पिता भी जो हैं वो उसके पास से उड़ रहे हैं और वो देखता है उसके भाई बहन जो हैं वो भी उसके आसपास में उड़ रहे हैं. Then he completely forgot that he had always been able to fly and commanded himself to dive and soar and curve, shrinkling shrilly. मीन्स अब वो क्या करता है, अब वो भूल गया है कि उसको कभी उड़ना नहीं आता था. अब वो तो कमांड कर रहा है, वो ऊपर उड़ रहा है, घूम रहा है, टेढ़ा हो रहा है, सीधा हो रहा है. मीन्स ही इज़ एंजॉइंग हिज फ्लाइंग. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean. He saw vast green sea beneath him, with little radiage moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. His parents and his brother and his sister had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. He dropped his leg to stand on the green sea. His leg sank into it. He screamed with fright of attempt to raise again, flapping his wings. But he was tired and weak with hunger, and he could not raise. मीन्स वो पानी के ऊपर उतरे उनके सतह पर और फिर से उड़ने की कोशिश किया, बट ही वॉज हंग्री एंड ही वॉज टायर्ड ऑफ दैट फ्लाइंग, सो ही कुड नॉट रेज. By this strange exercise, his feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it, and he sank on feather. He was now floating on it, and around him, his family was screaming, praising him, and their backs were offering him scrap of dogfish. He had made his first flight. So students, at last he went to sea, and all family are happy because he has learned how to fly. I hope all of you have got this story. In this story we come to know that we should not afraid of trying our first attempt. Okay, we can get success, but at least how long we will not try, how long we will not put more and more efforts, we cannot get success in our life. I hope all of you have got this story. So do the question answer of it. Again I'll come with the second part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye.